Question 1. Which semiconductor alloy system is primarily used to produce high-brightness amber, orange, and red LEDs? Aluminum indium gallium phosphide, or AlInGaP, is an alloy system with a direct band gap covering the amber to red spectral region, providing highly efficient radiative transitions. Question 2. What unit is used to measure the luminous efficacy of an LED, representing how well it converts electrical power to visible light? Luminous efficacy measures the efficiency with which a light source produces visible light, calculated as the ratio of luminous flux in lumens to the electrical power in watts. Question 3. Why should high-power LEDs always be driven by a constant current source rather than a constant voltage source? As an LED heated by conduction gets warmer, its forward voltage drop decreases. Under constant voltage bias, this prompts an exponential rise in current, leading to destructive thermal runaway. Question 4. Which metric quantifies how faithfully an LED light source reveals the true colors of various objects compared to a natural light source? The color rendering index is a quantitative measure of a light source's ability to reveal the colors of various objects faithfully in comparison with an ideal or natural light source. Question 5. What architectural method stacks multiple p-n junctions monolithically to generate higher light output from the same footprint? By stacking multiple active p-n light-emitting regions vertically, separated by highly conductive tunnel junctions, a tandem LED can generate multiple photons per injected electron. Question 6. Why is the phosphor conversion method for white LEDs generally preferred over RGB mixing for residential lighting? While RGB systems require complex control circuits to balance separate colors that age at different rates, phosphor-converted blue chips are simpler, cheaper, and offer stable color over time. Question 7. What is the primary cause of the high refractive index mismatch that limits an LED's light extraction efficiency? Semiconductors have high refractive indices, typically above 3. This creates a small escape cone at the air interface, trapping the majority of generated photons inside via total internal reflection. Question 8. Which substrate material is most widely used to grow GaN crystal layers for blue LEDs due to its mechanical and thermal stability? Synthetic sapphire is favored because it withstands the high temperatures required for GaN metal organic chemical vapor deposition while matching crystalline structures reasonably well. Question 9. Which non-radiative recombination process occurs when carrier recombination is assisted by deep-level crystal defects? Shockley-Reed-Hall recombination is a defect-mediated process where an electron or hole falls into a trap state within the forbidden band gap, releasing its energy as lattice heat instead of light. Question 10. What is the primary pathway for heat dissipation in a high-power LED package? LEDs do not emit infrared radiation in their beam. Nearly all waste heat is concentrated at the tiny junction, requiring low-resistance solid-state conduction to an external heat sink.